Binoculars. Here are the components you will need. Attach the two side panels to the front face using the pre-cut slots. But be sure to connect the wide part of the side panel to the front. Like this. Now locate the small lens and the bottom face. Stick a piece of tape to the inside of the face and attach the lens. The lens should fit concave side down. Repeat the same process for the front face, concave side down. Now attach the back face to the side panels using the pre-cut slots. Now you can attach the top and the bottom panels. Take your time to align all the slots to the holes. Be sure to give all the sides a quick squeeze. You're almost done. Thread a piece of string through the back side panel. Make a knot. Do the same thing to the other side panel.